The iRobot? Sure. Okay, fine. Guys, if you know me, Indomie. I'm addicted to these. Okay, so boil the noodles, and you're not actually supposed to keep the broth or mix the broth and seasoning into the water. You take the seasoning and you mix that into a bowl. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot sauce. Oh, go on. I didn't forget about you. But you did, Birdie. You did. Terrible human being. I was just preoccupied by my own interests. Looks good. Taking my photos and stuff, so I don't need to eat it. Just kidding, man. Oh, yo, we're gonna go watch an episode of Mr. Robot. Just recently got into that series. I know it's been out for a while. I think there's like 4 seasons out. But yeah. Teaches you a lot about hacking and also makes you paranoid. The other day, I actually almost got scammed over the phone.
So you can use your internet and use your Google and search your city police department number.
First off, police head office should know their own jurisdiction's numbers, but I was genuinely concerned because I haven't used my SIN number in years. So what's gonna happen exactly tomorrow?
Tomorrow you will gonna meet 2 government officers. They will gonna provide you the new social insurance number.
Okay.
But right now, we need to talk with your city police department about this case, tell them each and everything, right? So you have to stay on the line with me. I'm just calling them. And after that, I will tell you that how they are helping us and what they are saying to us.
Can I ask you again, what exactly did the person in Montreal do with my SIN number?
That's I'm telling you, just give me a moment. Yeah. So your social insurance number using for illegal activities, as I told you, there would be 12 bank accounts, thousands of dollar wires. The case is money laundering, drug trafficking, and identity theft. Yeah, stay on the line with me. Let me talk with them. Stay on the line.
Yep. Alright, guys, apparently there's a reason why my social insurance number hasn't been in use or was suspended. Yeah, I'm here.
Hello. I told you that you don't need to talk with anyone on this recorded line. Whom you're talking to?
I'm recording myself.
You're recording yourself?
Yeah.
What are you recording?
For future. This is for personal documentation because I've never actually been through this at all in my life. So I'm scared.
And once you receive a call from your city police department,
Yeah.
you have to pick up the call and tell them the same thing. Yeah, you didn't do it. And I'm just gonna right now transfer this all the information to them. So
Okay.
they're gonna call you, right?
Sure.
Stay on the line with me, okay?
Okay.
Hey, I'm looking for Bertha. It's a sheer heart, Bertha. Well, this is Officer Patrick Brown here from Calgary Police Services. Where are you right now? Are you at home or work?
I'm at home.
Alright, just locate me yourself so I can dispatch my team to take you into the custody.
My address?
Yes, just locate me yourself where you are right now so I can dispatch my team right there.
I'm not entirely sure why I'm in custody.
Well, I just received a call from Service Canada and they're telling me that you are innocent. Is this correct?
Correct, yeah. This all just happened within the next 30 minutes and I had no idea. So apparently there's been criminal activity with someone in Montreal using my social insurance. I myself have been self-employed for the past 5 years. The last time I used my social insurance was maybe 7 years ago when I worked a day job at Sears, and I've never been to Montreal in my life. So when I got the call saying that there was a warrant for my arrest if I didn't get into contact with you guys, I just want to handle this as soon as possible.
So just give me one good reason that why should I allow you to resolve this matter? What kind of business you're doing? Drug dealing or what?
I run a YouTube channel online where I put out vlog content.
Alright, well, there's a message from my department. They gave me to give you some messages like you and your like YouTube channel. This is okay for you.
What the f just happened? Calgary Police Service District. Number... I don't understand. Oh, what a waste of 30 minutes. It's just being stupid. Okay, go on. High five, Papa. No. It's like no food means no high five. Okay, fine. Tino, you don't mind being on vlog, do you? I don't mind. We're here at the garage, and today we're going to be doing something a little special. So this is our new friend, Tino. And he came by the shop and asked if we wanted to do a sort of drive-by for
my friend's nephew.
So it's his birthday today, and I've gathered some of our friends who have pretty cool done-up cars to do a couple of drive-bys for his birthday. But yeah, they got balloons over there. 33? I think he's only 3. Brett's here with his Evo. I got the Supra here, waiting on Larry, Eddie, and I think Sonny's gonna bring by his Atasha BRZ, so yeah, should be fun. I guess in the meantime, let's just put together a small gift package for the kid. See what we got upstairs. Some Pokemons.
Little kids love Pokemon.
Chucky.
You probably won't know what that is.
This would probably fit a 3-year-old.
Give him a steering wheel so he can learn to drive early.
Yeah, what? Get him into the car game right now. Give him a shirt, old Hot Wheels from the Hot Wheels wall, and maybe just a couple of Pokemon stickers. So it's just gonna be us 4, Eddie, Brett, and the Evo, and Sunny, and the IS, and of course, got me in the suits. And we're gonna be following the car. You saw the house, so if you want to keep going around there,
okay, sure,
if there's parking in front so they can look at the cars and stuff.
Yes, that
sure.
would be cool.
Yeah.
And then if there's no space, we might go to the Sears, like the empty lot.
Oh, in the North Hill?
Yeah.
North Hill? Okay, that's fine.
That
We'll just follow
so
you.
I can park and then I'll talk to the parents and
Sure.
we'll take the
Okay,
video.
perfect. I think that's the kid. We have a little present for him.
Can you sit on it?
Oh, I have a little gift for him.
Oh, you have a gift?
Yeah.
Say thank you. Say hi, Daddy. Take a picture. Oh.
Yeah, I think he matches the red car better.
No worries.
I think he likes your car better, bro. Oh, what?
That's hilarious.
Famous, bro. Oh, he's going to Sunny's car now.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, man.
Angles. This is straight. So this is top, bottom.
If you get it wrong, people will make fun of you.
Yeah.
So the stickers you get for the TEs actually go on specific spokes. So gotta make sure. Yeah, they said something about like this. Yeah.
Something in stem, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. Adjacent from the stem or like above the stem or something.
One of them.
Yeah.
Gotta double check again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Switching gears and like fast and furious.
Yeah. Yeah, standard's the way to go. You can open it up.
Oh really?
No? He done.
Find a little chase.
You guys are awesome. Thank you. Yeah, take care, man. Bye-bye.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, nice little drive-by. Said happy birthday to the kid, and he was happy seeing all these cars. I'd be happy, man. But I think he liked Eddie's car the best. All right, Tino, have a good one.
Have a good one.
Oh, that is something you don't see on a regular basis. Oh. These kids, man. Yeah, there's little trinklets, but I think we're in the middle. Look. I see this guy start going like this.
And I was like, are you guys trying to make me
The truck guy's like, what the hell?
Pulled right out of the parking stall.
I saw, thanks,
like,
Brett.
tick, 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 tick.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why we're like,
That
those guys are, I thought they just like got the light or
Like, he
something.
had a
I
booster
kept
cable,
looking in
so-
my back.
Oh, okay.
Like I seeing if you would catch up or some shit. Right?
Yeah.
That's good.
That's good though.
But you guys should all keep a booster pack.
The little portable one.
Yeah, it's like 80 bucks, man.
Batteries in the back of my car.
Oh yeah, so you gotta like.
But I was like,
Back
but
in.
it has a post in the front.
Oh nice. Okay, there you go.
Fuck, dude, it's hailing. There was a hailstorm a couple of days ago, and here's an example of one of the cars that got destroyed during that storm. Look it. Not even fixable, bro. Like, a hail ball was big enough to destroy that. And of course, the rear is smashed. I don't trust this. Oh fuck. It's hailing. It's little hail though. There's too many cars to be able to bring my car inside. God has a plan for me. Gohan. Hello, doggy. Hey, hey, hey. Nice try. What do we do? Yeah! Okay, come on. What do? Hey! Shoot! Alright, fine. Let you out. Yo, go on, stop eating grass. Looks like it's gonna rain. Okay, you guys wanna see Gohan's new tricks? Go on, come. You ready to show these guys? Wait. Okay, Oswari. Konnichiwa. Can you stand? High five. Hey, good boy. Wanna show these guys how long you can stand for? Stand. You got this, homie. You got this. Hey, you got distracted. One more. Oh, okay. Crazy kid. All right, guys. Oh, what are we doing? All right, I think I'm gonna end the video. Tomorrow we actually have to wake up pretty early because we are gonna be picking up Shane's new build, and I can't really say too much about it yet. So you guys are just gonna have to come back to the channel. And also, let me know in the comments below if you guys are down with this kind of video content. Like, are you guys cool with just me releasing these slice of life videos where it's just me shooting the shit with my friends? And it's almost like you guys are hanging out with us. What the heck, this guy's just... So yeah, let me know in the comments below what other kind of stuff you'd like to see coming from us on this channel. We'll do our best to cater to you because honestly, at the end of the day, if it wasn't for your guys' support, we probably wouldn't be as motivated to come out with stuff for this channel. Even though, like, with this quarantine stuff, it's a huge test to anybody who isn't a regular homebody and doesn't have a particular passion that they spend their time on. So really, if there's no shows and you're a car tuner, what are you building your car for, right? Let's end the video, guys. Thank you for watching as usual, and if you want to get updated when new videos come out on the channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys later. Peace. Go on, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Yeah. All right, peace.